Hi, I'm Jeff Hirsch. I'm here at the Money Show in Philadelphia with Robert Carlson. He's the editor of Retirement Watch at retirementwatch.com. And there's an interesting aspect of estate planning that a lot of people don't realize. It's digital assets, right?
Right.
So how does that work, and what's the risk there?
Yeah, most people, they don't realize they even have digital assets, but your cell phone, your email account, your social media accounts, online access to your financial accounts, your automatic bill
Your bank
payments,
accounts, your brokerage account.
Right, automatic bill payments, all these things are digital assets. And it's only recently that the estate laws have caught up to the state of technology. Just a few years ago, it wasn't clear anyone had any right to access these accounts after you passed away. Also, many people were not leaving the access information to their executors and their family, and so they were locked out.
So what do families need to do?
Well, the first thing you need to do is most states have passed what they call a fiduciary access to digital assets account. It allows you to determine either in your will or your power of attorney or your living trust that certain people can access certain accounts. But it doesn't matter unless you put the language in these documents. So you have to update your estate plan to name who you want to have access to these different accounts and authorize them to do it.
Can you do it with a blanket statement, like they have access to everything?
You can do that.
Or do you really need to be specific?
But what many people want to do is they want, one person have access to the financial accounts, another person will be looking at their email and social media. So many people want to divide it up because they'll have a financial person, a family member to look at the other things.
Right.
So you really need to
put your advisor in charge of the financial stuff and your kids in charge of, your personal stuff.
Right, but the important thing is you have to update your documents to make sure you authorize this, or otherwise no one's going to be able to access it.
I'm not sure I even realized that. I mean, I've dealt with it, preparing for with my parents getting older, but I didn't realize that it was the digital assets were a thing to address in the estate plan.
The other thing you have to do is leave an inventory. Name each of these assets, your passwords. If there's security questions, you have to have the questions and answers.
Excellent.
You have to have all that information in your estate plan.
Well, thanks for telling us about that, Bob.
Glad to.
Thanks, everybody.